Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, choose OK in white pop-up and continue by hitting Got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and wherever you decided, wait. So after I tap on Receive button, I can see that transfer began. Close all ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!